Hello again. Well, this is a second unboxing video. I don't really tend to do very many of them, but I bought these, and these are the Epos K5i stand mount speakers. Now it's a bit of a gamble because I haven't actually listened to them, but I've listened to their predecessors in the past at one of the Bristol Hi-Fi shows, and I like them very much. If you don't know Epos, they're a very well-known brand who've been owned by Creek Audio for I think about the past 20 years, and they've recently been bought out by Karl-Heinz Fink. Now he's one of the great loudspeaker gurus who's responsible for quite a number of loudspeakers, including the Q acoustic ones I've got. So this should be very good. Now I bought these because I've seen them retail for about £300 to £400, but I got these for 180, and they were half price. And I guess one of the reasons is that they're probably shifting old stock and prepared to getting some new speaker lines in. But these were walnut, and I think these were an experiment to see how they went. And I'm hoping they've got a good WAF or WAF acceptance factor, which I will talk about more in a minute. Right, let's have a look, see what you got. Well, on the top you get some polystyrene to give us a bit of security, and if I just pull one out, they're actually quite light. I won't get them both out, but in the box you get an instruction manual and some grills. As you can see, these are very small. So let's open the bag and see what we get. Well, as you can see, these are really dinky. So around the back you've got two proper 5-way binding posts, and this is screwed in, and apparently one of the reasons is that they were planning to do an active speaker amplifier you can stick in here, but I don't know if they ever got around to doing this. Around the front you get a woofer which looks about 4 inches, a small tweeter, and a nice front slot bass port. One of the good things about that is that it makes it easier to put on to put against a wall, and overall it looks pretty nice. And it's not obviously proper walnut, but the walnut veneer looks pretty good. I said one of the reasons I got this is that I was looking for something with a high WAF or WAF acceptance factor. I don't know if you know about the WAF acceptance factor, but basically it's the chances of getting your wife to accept your speakers. And from what I hear is that wives don't like big speakers that stand out with lots of chrome and things, and like small things. So I'm hoping that she's going to like this. Now I'm planning to use them because they're quite small. I'm planning to use them with a subwoofer, and I've got a rel. So what I'm going to do is hook them up and see how they go. So if you're interested, subscribe, and in a couple of weeks time I'll come back and say A, how they sound, and B, how the wife acceptance factor was, and did she like them. Obviously I haven't told her I bought them yet, and I expect she'll notice soon enough. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye now.